looking at this graph right here, the couple things I want to point out is that if we're trying to find the y-intercept, right? Our y-intercept, or B, for this line, the key strategy is to look at our y-axis, which runs vertically up and down. And we first start off by putting our finger on the origin, that is at 0, 0. If our relationship is proportional, it will go through or start at the origin. In this particular graph, we have to travel down. And because we're going down below our origin, this y-intercept will be negative. If this coordinate was 0 and -1, our y-intercept for this line will end up being -1. So B would equal -1. Now, if we were trying to find the slope of this line, we would simply go from here, which is the start, till we reach 1 point. We have 2, 0. Then I'm going to keep going till I reach another point. I have another solid point that's at 4 and 2. To make sure that I can use the formula for slope, I'm going to identify these as x1, y1, x2, y2. We can identify them based on the value for x. 2 comes before 4, so this is my first set of coordinates. This is my second set. Because we read our line from left to right, this is the first point I come across. Here's the second. The formula for slope is our slope by m equals the change in y divided by the change in x. Algebraically, we're talking about y2 minus y1 being divided by x2 minus x1. Now I just need to substitute using the coordinates that I already identified. My y2 is 2, so that's 2 minus my y1 is 0. 2 minus 0 divided by my x2 is 4, 4 minus my x1, which is 2. So I got 2 minus 0 divided by 4 minus 2. 2 minus 0 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 gives me a slope of 1. The slope of this line is the value of 1.